Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to repot your Alocasia zebrina. This video also forms part of a larger Alocasia zebrina care video. So the pot I'm going to use is a plastic pot, and it's only slightly bigger than the pot that this plant is already in, because remember that we don't want to overpot our plant. So I'm using a mixture of Cococoir, sphagnum moss, perlite and a well-draining potting media, so it's light and fluffy. So I'm first going to start off with putting this media in the bottom of my pot. And just putting my plant in, just to see that the level is right, and I can see that's absolutely fine. So now I'm going to take my plant out of the pot, and the roots look really healthy, as you can see, and I'm going to try and disturb them as little as possible to minimize the shock of being transplanted. So I just place my plant in the middle of the pot, in the center, and look that it's at the right level. And now I'm going to gently fill in around my pot with my well-draining growing media. When doing this, you want to make sure not to plant your plant too deep, because that could cause your plant to rot. Also, you don't want to press down too much around the roots, because that will cause a decreased level of oxygen around the roots of your plant, and that could also lead to root rot. So I'm just going to do the finishing touches. A little bit, and now just gently press down around the edges, just to see where I might need a little bit of the growing media. So just quickly tap this down, and I can see that my plant looks nice and secure. So there we go. Thank you for watching. I hope that you found this video useful. This video also forms part of a larger video on Alocasia zebrina care, which I'll put up on the screen for you guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe to see more videos like these.